In this video, we will be demonstrating how to use the two-wheel walker. The two-wheel walker is a mobility aid, and it is also known as the rolling walker. So who would need to use the two-wheel walker? The two-wheel walker is for patients who have gait instability, but who do not need to bear a substantial amount of weight on the device. People who use a two-wheel walker have general weakness, balance issues, a weak leg, an injured leg, or have recently undergone surgery in their lower limb. So how do you use a two-wheel walker? Here we have an OTA/PTA student demonstrating how to use a two-wheel walker. She uses the two-wheel walker by pushing the walker forward without lifting it off the ground, and then she advances her injured left foot forward. The injured left foot is placed on the ground between the wheel and slider of the two-wheel walker. She then pulls her weight up and forward using her arms, and then finally steps forward with her non-injured right foot and places it next to her injured left foot. Here we can see her walking using the two-wheel walker from a side view. Again, we can see her place her injured left foot between the slider and wheel of the two-wheel walker. She uses the two-wheel walker by pushing the walker forward without lifting it off the ground. She then advances her injured left foot forward. The injured left foot is placed on the ground between the wheel and the slider of the walker. She then pulls her weight up and forward using her arms, and finally steps forward with her non-injured right foot and places it next to her injured left foot. Here we can see her demonstrate how to use a two-wheel walker if a patient does not have injuries but has balance issues. She can be seen keeping her walker close and walking as she normally would, but with the mobility aid to prevent her from falling. This is what not to do when using a two-wheel walker. In this clip, she is leaning too much on the walker and putting too much weight on it. In this clip, she is lifting her walker. In this clip, she's pushing her walker too far ahead. Doing all of these things can cause further injury or new injury. Other safety concerns to consider when using the two-wheel walker. Number 1. Keep caution of pets and children to avoid tripping and falling over them. Number 2. The two-wheel walker requires more cognition compared to other mobility aids. Number 3. There should be a slight bend in the elbow so that one does not lean into the walker and put excessive weight on it. Number 4. One should not bend their arms too much either. Number 5. The body should not touch the front bar of the walker. And number 6. The two-wheel walker should be adjusted to the right height of the individual. Here we have another OTA/PTA student demonstrating how to adjust the height of the two-wheel walker. Here we can see her turning the two-wheel walker over and adjusting the legs of the walker one by one so that they are all the same level that is suitable for the patient. A caregiver or OTA/PTA can assist with this adjustment for a patient. The buttons on the legs of the walker can be pushed in, which enables the legs to increase in length or decrease in length. When the buttons are poking out of the leg of the walker, this means that the leg of the walker is locked. Here we have another OTA/PTA student demonstrating how to open and close the two-wheel walker. Here we can see her unfold the two-wheel walker by spreading the sides out until it is locked in place. She can hear the lock sound. To close the two-wheel walker, she holds on the button on each side and moves the sides inwards. Other useful information about two-wheel walkers. Two-wheel walkers are geared towards users who have more limited mobility and can walk slowly. Tennis balls are recommended to be added to the rear legs of the walker to prevent lifting of it. Two-wheel walkers are super lightweight and therefore great for traveling as they can fit easily into a car's back seat or trunk. Most two-wheel walkers have a weight capacity of 250 to 300 pounds. Someone who weighs over 250 pounds should consider another walker. Thank you for watching us demonstrate how to use a two-wheel walker.